This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware that is called VTYM. VTYM is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. In my video, I will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware works and what exactly it does with the files that people store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, due to certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the system. So after people restart their computers, they might suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware is extremely dangerous. It encrypts the files and then adds a special VTYM extension to all these files. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the VTYM extension. Another problem is that simply removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue, and you cannot use the files anymore. You just cannot open your data. This ransomware encrypts all popular file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Now, first thing I recommend you to do is to go to the Task Manager. Look for suspicious processes with long random names running in the background. If you find them, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. Then we recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. The developers of this horrible virus called VTYM tell that people need to pay the ransom to restore the files. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. Use Combo Cleaner antivirus to effectively remove this VTYM ransomware. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal. Combo Cleaner works very well in detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type infections. So the scanning will begin. While the scanning is taking place, you may research some features of Combo Cleaner. As you can clearly see, it has got the anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, keep in mind, is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of the threats which were revealed during the scanning. And then, based on the information about threats, you will be able to delete some of these threats manually, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium license, which will help you to automatically clean your system from all ransomware or malware or adware threats. And with premium license, of course, your system will be always protected against ransomware attacks in the future.